Alright, now this is about AspenWorks ATW Show Slider Show Posts in order to demonstrate adding a banner slider to your main homepage. First thing to do is install these two sliders, these two plugins. So one plugin to install and activate, back, install the second plugin, and activate. Okay. Now, let's look over here and see the ATW post slider and the slider posts and see what they do. So let's create a new slider post. This is where your actual pictures are going to be stored, and what you do is you start with add media, upload some files. Okay, I've got a group of 5 pictures that I borrowed from Aspen. Okay, now what I really meant to do was to create a gallery, so I'm going to skip this and go again. Create gallery with these 5 pictures. And link that gallery to the media file. You can link it to the attachment page or none, and that's something you can work on later after you've selected your gallery. Okay, I'm going to name this banner so I can recognize it when I run across it later when I'm setting it up for the header slider. Now I'm going to go to ATW slider posts, post slider, and I'm going to create a gallery. Oh, first of all, I'm going to enable the gallery replacement show gallery as slider, and this will allow the gallery that I chose to become all my galleries in general. And I'm going to create a new slider called banner. Alright. Looking at the slider options. Come on down. Slider options. You've got 3 choices: carousel, slider, or fader. I'm going to select fader, and then this button here will set auto set values for the banner slider. Okay. Alright, now let's keep going down through here. I need to make a filter, so let's go ahead and save this and come back after we have our filter. Alright, so to make a filter, you click on the filter thing, you create a new filter. I'm going to call it banner slider. And now that I've got banner slider, what I really want to say is down here in slider post type, the ATW slider post, I'm going to add it right here. ATW slider post. Now that allows me, when I save this, let me save the filter options. That allows me to select the slider for the banner from the slider post that I created a minute ago. So I go back to sliders, and down here at slider options, you have a filter. And I created that filter called banner slider, and my slider plug is now banner. And all of those working together creates the slider that will go on the banner. All that's left is to place the shortcode for the slider by copying it here, going to Aspen Admin, going to Advanced Options. Let's see what we've got. One of these in the head section. Hold on, I'll find it. Okay, Aspen Theme Work Shiders. Inject it right here. Show slider name banner, and it will inject that in place of the image that we removed already. And I save the settings. We should be able to take a look at it. Then there it is. Now if you want more control over how the images display, the speed, the style of display, you need to purchase the professional version of that plugin. But this is all free, and you can get it from Aspen.